Welcome, and this is my first patron exclusive video, and I'd like to welcome my first two patrons, Brian and Steven, and I want to tell you how much I appreciate you coming on over and supporting me and supporting the channel as well. So when we start to do the polishing on a Winchester, the Winchesters have some very exclusive lines to them, these Model 94s. This is a Model 94. And some of those exclusive lines have to do with how the machining is milled into these receivers. These are all very slab-sided. And the slab siding of the mill leaves these very distinct, I'm going to call them light lines or shadow lines or body lines, if you will. But we want to make sure that when we polish that we don't round over those body lines or light lines, and that we're working to be as cognizant and aware of that, because we want those to stay as crisp as they are from the factory. A lot of amateurs, they'll go in when they start to polish and they'll literally round over or concave the edges of those holes. We don't want to do that. They weren't that way from the factory. We don't want to do that as restorers. We want to make sure that we're maintaining as crisp a line around those circles, around those holes that we can. So that's today's first video, exclusive video, and when I start doing the polishing itself, then we're going to talk more about how we approach this from a mechanical or physical standpoint, so that we've done everything that we can not to damage the identifying features of those firearms. All right. Once again, thank you for being a patron, and more to come.